Ever wondered why we get hiccups? It's weirder than you think. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs, suddenly contracts. This causes a quick intake of air, but your glottis, a part of your throat, closes rapidly, making that classic hic sound. Why does it happen? It can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, or even strong emotions. Your body is basically having a spasm. Most hiccups last just a few minutes, but some people have had them for years. Crazy, right? If you're surprised, like this video and subscribe for more cool body facts.